Linear versus exponential growth. Let me ask you a simple question. What's the difference between adding and multiplying? That sounds small, sounds silly even sometimes to ask, but that difference can take you from 30 to over 1 billion. In the previous episode, we explore how big a billion really is. If you haven't seen it yet, take a moment to check it out after this. Today, we are going to understand how you get there. We are going to compare two types of growth: linear growth and exponential growth. Linear growth is simple. You add same amount each step: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, steady, predictable. Mathematically, that is represented by y is equal ax plus b, whereas a and b are constant and x is a variable. Linear, however, on the other side, is represented by this equation: y is equal a to the power x. Same thing as on the linear side. On the exponential side, a is a constant and x is a variable. Same thing, same concept. Now, to make the process easy to understand, no complications, we are going to assign some numbers to the constants a and b to make the equation a little more malleable. So let's assume that a is equal to 1 and b is equal 0. X remains a variable. So by plugging in numbers, we have y is equal x. Let's remember that. On the exponential side, let's assign a number here. Same thing. Um, let's assume that a is equal to 2. In that instance, by plugging in the numbers, the number 2 in the equation, y equals 2 to the power x. Okay? This is These are the two equations we are going to work with. So I pre-plugged in some numbers. On the linear side, we are going from step 1 to step 5. If you have noticed, by just replacing the numbers 1 to x, we getting step 1, we're getting 1. Step 2, getting 2, 3, 4, 5, and so forth. So here it's steady, it's predictable. We know we're just adding 1. On the exponential side, let's say at step 1, we have y is equal to 2 to the power 1, which is 2 already. Step 2, 2 to the power 2, we're getting 4. Step 3, 8. Step 4, 16. Step 5, 32. What are we noticing? A doubling at each step. Okay, if we continue further, step 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, on the linear side, no change. Predictable, steady. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. On the exponential side, however, going at step 6, we are already at 64, whereas at step 6 on the linear side, we are at 6. So going with the same pattern on the exponential side, at step 7, we are at 128. By the time we get to step 9, we are at 512. So at step 10, on the exponential side, we are at 1024 already, whereas on the linear side, we are at 10. So let's speed up a little bit the process. Let's go increments of 5. At 15, step 15, the linear side is still 15 and so forth. So at step 30, on the linear side, we are at 30. No problem. Now, on the exponential side, if you notice, At step 15, we are already 2 to the power 15, which is 32,768. At step 20, we are over a million already in on the exponential side. Step 25, 33 million. And step 30, we are already over 1 billion on the exponential side. In order for us to get to 1 billion on the linear side, what do we need to do? Following this pattern. So at each step, we just plug in that number of steps. So 15, 15 steps, 20, 20. Step 25, 25. Step 30, 30. Okay. Now, on the linear side, we got some more work to do. So assuming that at step 30 we are at 30, so it is safe to say that that step 100 we are going to have y is equal 100. Step 500, 500. Step 1000 is going to be 1000, and step 10,000 is going to be 10,000. So, okay, with this kind of reasoning, it is safe to assume that at step 1 million, we are at y is equal 1 million. And at step 1 billion, we are at step where y is equal 1 billion. So that gives you an idea about how the linear growth is. The difference is linear growth adds while the exponential growth multiplies. Now think about this. If this video reaches one person at a time, that's linear. But if each of you share it with just one person, that's exponential. One becomes two, two becomes four, four becomes eight, and down the road, that's how you reach a million. That's how you reach a billion. So if you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe, leave a comment, and share it with just one person. Let's see how far exponential growth can take us. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.